This short video is just an introduction to the VitalStore software program, which allows you to look at pre-recorded data and analyze, measure and or create reports. So on the blue icon on your screen, just double click. There's a check of the data to make sure it's valid, and then the screen opens. And then very simply, it's an empty screen. You need to open a file to view it. So we click on open, and then by default we have all of the recordings for today. Here's one that I did today, Rover Smith. So I'm just going to open that up. You notice that Rover's got a number of files associated with it, and he's also got a PDF file. If you want to look at the PDF file, just click on this here and it'll open up and show the PDF. For now, we're just going to click OK and open the file. Produces a list on the side, all related to Rover, and we can see all the files that have been recorded. So I'm just going to choose something. I'm going to choose the pulse ox because I know I had a few traces on that. Click on that and it opens up the whole screen. Now, I'm not going to go into the whole detail of this, but at the top we have the trend screen, and we got a short amount of data there, so I could just change that to fit that to the whole trend. There we are. So I had no data to start with for half of it. Then I had some data. We can see the data values, the saturation here and the heart rate here. On the lower screen we have the waveform, and if I scroll through I'm going to find the waveforms. There we are, there's the waveforms. Okay, we can change the height of them, much like other parts of the software. Go in on the right click and change the vertical height, make that a bit smaller. Okay, so very simply, to look at files, one simply goes into the Blue Heart software, opens the file, double clicks on the relevant parameter that's been recorded, and then you're into the screen. And there are lots of options when you're in the screen. If I wanted to look at another one at the same time, I could easily go in here. You'll notice that Rover Smith for the original files not in there anymore. I had some anonymous files. I could just open that one, drops it on the left hand side. I can look at the, shall we say, the CO2 data for that, open that up. There's no data in this one at the moment, but it's very simple to open all the files you want down here, and we have a tab along top here so we can jump between one and the other. A lot of information in here, a lot of features, all covered in a much longer document, much longer video, so I'm not going to go into those here. Just really wanted to show you how easy it was to come in and look at some files and create a report if you want to, do whatever you want to, but come in and look at data that's previously been recorded. Thank you.